Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Steelaid is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your workshop, offering unparalleled support and stability for a wide range of projects, from heavy-duty woodworking to intricate metal fabrication, ensuring your work is always precise and safe. Number 5. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer, KHM 512, Ice Blue. Experience the best with the world's #1 mixer brand. Trust in quality and performance for all your kitchen needs. From gently folding in ingredients to whipping up light and airy meringues, it offers 5 speeds to perfectly match any recipe. The lockable swivel cord stays conveniently out of your way as you mix. This thoughtful design ensures a smoother cooking experience. Changing or removing attachments is a breeze. With a simple one-handed press, you can quickly detach any accessory. Achieve thorough mixing with its specially designed stainless steel turbo beater accessories. They are also conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like. This hand mixer offers versatile speed options for all your baking needs. Its lockable swivel cord keeps your workspace tidy. If you're looking for a reliable mixer for everyday baking tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. It's lightweight yet powerful, with 5 speeds that handle everything from gently mixing batters to whipping cream smoothly and efficiently. The motor runs quietly, and the beaters mix evenly without splashing, making baking and cooking much more enjoyable. The 5-speed settings offer great control, whether you're mixing cake batter, whipping cream, or blending cookie dough. It's powerful enough for most everyday tasks. Number 4. Cuisinart MultiClad Pro 12-piece Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Introducing the Cuisinart 12-piece cookware set. It includes everything you need for versatile cooking, from saucepans and skillets to a stockpot and steamer insert. Experience exceptional cooking performance with its professional triple-ply construction. The pure aluminum core ensures heat is distributed evenly, preventing hot spots. Enjoy cooking without worry. The polished interior won't react with food or alter flavors, making cleanup a breeze. Tight-fitting lids lock in moisture and taste. Take your culinary creations from stovetop to oven with confidence, as it's safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The tapered rims are designed for a clean, drip-free pour every time. Designed for your comfort and safety, the cool grip handles stay cool on the stovetop. They are securely attached with stainless steel rivets for lasting durability. This cookware is designed for modern kitchens, offering compatibility with induction cooktops. It works beautifully on electric and gas stoves too. What we like. This cookware set boasts professional triple-ply construction for superior heat distribution. The drip-free pouring rims make serving easy. If you value even cooking and effortless serving, this set is ideal for your kitchen. What people say. The Steelaid is a robust and well-built product, designed to last. Its unique folding mechanism makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. The non-slip base ensures stability on various surfaces, providing a secure platform. Number 3. Cuisinart Chef's Classic 17-piece Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Discover the Cuisinart Chef's Classic 17-piece Stainless Steel Cookware Set. It's designed to elevate your cooking experience with premium materials and thoughtful features. Experience quick and even heating thanks to the pure aluminum core. This ensures your food cooks perfectly every time, eliminating hot spots. The cool grip handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, providing a secure and comfortable grip. The tight-fitting glass lids lock in flavor and nutrients. Enjoy exceptional handling with professionally riveted stainless steel handles. They offer perfect balance and drip-free pouring for your best cooking results. This cookware set is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for stovetop, oven, or broiler use, offering professional performance. This comprehensive 17-piece set includes a variety of saucepans, skillets, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, a stockpot, and steamer inserts, providing everything you need for any recipe. What we like. Featuring a pure aluminum core for quick and even heating, this set ensures optimal cooking performance. The glass lids allow you to monitor your food easily. If you appreciate convenience and excellent heat conductivity, consider this cookware. What people say. The Steelaid is a game changer for anyone who needs a reliable and sturdy stand for their tools. Its innovative design allows for easy setup and takedown, making it perfect for both home and professional use. The adjustable height feature ensures that the Steelaid can accommodate a wide range of tools and user preferences. Number 2. Steelaid Triple Panel Privacy Room Divider. Introducing a versatile room divider designed to create instant privacy. It's an economical solution for defining your personal space without a large investment. Crafted with waterproof and stain-resistant polyester panels, this divider is supported by a robust alloy steel frame. It's built to last and maintain its appearance. Perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, or offices, it helps you carve out your own area. It also serves as an excellent backdrop for video calls and photos. Measuring 216 inches wide and 72 inches high, this freestanding unit offers flexible configurations. Use it as 1, 2, or 3 panels to suit your needs. Setting up this divider is incredibly simple and can be done by one person. With clear instructions and minimal tools required, you'll have it ready in no time. Available in multiple colors with a sleek frame, it seamlessly integrates into any interior design. The classic look is enhanced by stable foot pedestals and decorative finials. What we like. This room divider is constructed with durable, waterproof polyester and a robust steel frame. It's also incredibly easy to assemble. If you need a flexible and resilient solution for creating private spaces in offices or dorms, this is a practical option. What people say. The Steelaid is a sturdy and well-built product that feels like it will last a long time. It's incredibly easy to set up and use, even for someone who isn't very tech-savvy. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with my home decor. Number 1. Steelaid Folding Room Divider. Tired of feeling cramped? This room divider is the perfect solution for creating personal space in shared living or work environments. Enjoy privacy without the high cost. Setting up your new partition is a breeze. With just a Phillips screwdriver and our simple instructions, you can assemble it yourself in no time. No extra help needed. Its freestanding design means you can place it wherever you need it most. From your office to your patio, it provides a personal oasis wherever you go. This divider is incredibly versatile. Use it to create separate areas in classrooms, as a backdrop for video calls, or even to give kids their own distinct zones. Perfect for schools, churches, offices, dorm rooms, and more. It's designed to adapt to your specific needs, offering a practical privacy solution. Measuring 102 inches wide by 71 inches high, it offers ample coverage to define your space effectively. It's both foldable and freestanding for ultimate convenience. What we like. This room divider offers a freestanding design for versatile placement and multipurpose use. Assembly is straightforward, making it convenient to set up. If you're looking for an affordable way to create personal space in shared living or working environments, this divider is a great fit. What people say. The Steelaid is a sturdy and well-built product that feels very durable. It's designed to be very user-friendly, with clear instructions and easy assembly. The Steelaid offers excellent stability and support, making it a reliable choice for various applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.